Good afternoon, Year 2. I hope you're ready for your next PSHE lesson. I'm going to share my screen and we'll go through it together. Our learning intention today is to understand why we should limit screen time and why it is good to spend time outdoors. I would like you to discuss the following things. Do you have an iPad, a laptop, a mobile phone, or a computer? How long do you spend on it? And what do you do on it? Pause the video and have a think about your answers to these questions. Maybe discuss them with a grown-up or a talk partner. Do you go to the park or do you spend time in your garden? Do you go to an after-school club or did you used to go to an after-school club? To play or spend time after school or at the weekends? Again, pause the video and have a think about your answer to this question. And then think about, why is it good to spend time outdoors? Why is it not good to use a device all the time? Now think about the importance of fresh air and sun. This might help you to think about your answer to this question. Again, pause the video if you need to. Why it's not good to spend so much time on a device and why it's important that we limit that time. Now, too much time on the screen can affect our mood. It can hurt our eyes. It can affect our concentration and mood, like I said before. It can affect our focus in learning, and it can decrease the amount of time we spend doing physical activity. These are all negative sides to spending too much time on our screens. It is okay to spend time on your device because it can help us rest, however, only for a certain amount of time. For example, 15 minutes. Being on a device or watching TV before bed can affect our sleep, so it's important that before bed we do a different restful activity. Maybe reading. Can you think of a different restful activity that you could do before bed, which will still allow you to rest? I know I like to do a bit of meditation, a bit of mindfulness before bed. That helps me to sleep. What about you? For your activity today, I would like you to create a poster or an information card for Year 1 children, advising them about limiting screen time and spending more time outdoors. So imagine you are trying to advise or help Year 1 and let why it's important to spend time outdoors and why it's important to spend less time in front of a screen. So make your posters big and bold, lots of important rules, lots of information about limiting screen time. The bigger, the bolder, the brighter, the better, because then Year 1 will definitely read it and hopefully pay attention to what you're telling them. Have fun with your activity, and I look forward to seeing some of your posters or information cards. I will see you next week on the next PSHE lesson. Goodbye, Year 2.